Hi.
I'm Paul.
Today we are working back on the adventure bus, just doing a couple of small improvements, fixing some things that I've noticed are issues over the past couple of track days and trips in the bus. Audrey's back. A lot of you guys thought we broke up, but we didn't. She's just been working.
No, we did.
So, no, we didn't break up.
We're not together anymore.
But she's been working, so that's why she's never in trip videos. But you're coming to a rallycross event soon, so that's gonna be fun.
Next weekend.
Things we're gonna do to the bus, we're gonna make the storage area a little bit better. We are going to add the map back on, add a cork board so we can hang up pictures and make memories. We are going to get a new passenger seat. You'll see that. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Audrey doesn't like it. There's some other things I want to do that we probably won't have time for today because we leave tomorrow for a drift event, so I don't have much time. It also really needs a wash because it's still covered in dead bugs from going to Iowa. There's a lot of, yeah, it's disgusting. But the only car wash big enough for the bus is half an hour away, which is kind of a pain in the butt to do. I think we're gonna go to Walmart, get some things, and start working. I'm excited to work on the bus again. After this, we've got some bigger things coming. We've got the electrical system coming. We got some appliances. And then we could live in it if we wanted to. And we'll have like AC and TV. Oh, it's gonna be awesome.
We should make
no shower. Nope.
Shower.
Nope. If you guys haven't seen this baller workbench, go check out yesterday's video. Before we head to Walmart, we're gonna measure some things, make sure we know what we're getting. 34, 22, all right. I also really wanna do the front end swap because this old E-Series van front end looks so ugly and the new one looks so good. But I can't find a total E-Series van to steal the front end off of.
It honestly smells like a camper.
Yeah, because it is a camper, Audrey. 35, it's like 3 feet. It's the sound of horsepower. Ford gang. The stupid little like blob on the lens is so annoying. I bought this camera brand new like 2 months ago and dirt got behind the lens, and on this camera you can't take the lens off to clean it. So the only way I can get that little splotch off is by sending the camera in to get taken apart and replaced. It's just so dumb. Like a brand new camera is super expensive. Gets lens or dirt behind the lens. So that's why that little blob is still there. I haven't fixed it yet. It's because I have to send it in to get fixed. And I don't know, it's just so annoying. The G7X Mark II failed me. This cart needs alignment bad. Just it doesn't go straight. I literally have to like push it sideways in order for it to go straight. I could try taking this camera apart and fixing the blob on the lens myself, but I don't trust myself. I don't want to break my camera. So that's why I haven't done that. I've tried all these like little tips and tricks to get dirt out of the lens and none of them worked. Wow, ricer knives, look at that. Only $11. We could actually use like a cutting board and stuff once we get appliances in the bus, but we don't have any of that yet. So here are the passenger seats for the bus.
I'm getting a gray one.
Nope. It's a big boy. One of the things I'm going to start off by doing is cutting off this little bottom support piece. It doesn't need it, the bed doesn't need it, it's plenty strong about it, and it makes it very difficult to get things in and out because there's this lip thing, obviously. Ugh, it always dies. Always dies when I need it most. Nice. I'm gonna clean this stuff out, kind of try to organize it and whatnot. Now even I can get in here. I wouldn't recommend it, but it works. Ow. So that's miles better. I've got so much more room just because I can actually reach all the way back there. So that's literally everything we need on our trip. Tow straps, tools, jack, oil and stuff is over there. So yeah, that's so much better. And the bed is still plenty strong, so sweet. That's all taken care of. I want to tint this back window so you can't see inside of it, but we'll do that later. Next step is to hang up this map. We're hanging up this corkboard first. We might have to trim it a little bit if we don't want it to. Oh wow, it literally covers up the entire thing. So we put this thing up behind a corkboard. So now we can use these little pins to mark where we've been. Start with Chicago. Start with Chicago. Come on.
Well, Chicago's where we live.
Exactly. Put one there.
But we should put one of those special ones.
Oh yeah, okay, that works. Special white one in Chicago. Hometown. So those are all the places we've been in the bus so far. Chi-Town Drift, Nashville, Tail the Dragon, Sweetwater, Atlanta, Bonita Springs, Florida, Oviedo, Florida, and that's it. We're going all the way up to like, all the way up there this weekend for the drift event, so that's gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this dang mirror, because this is the only way I can see behind me, and every single time I drive it keeps falling down. So I'm gonna tighten these bolts so I can actually, you know, see behind me. That's good. That should be good. Got a vacuum. Clean all this junk out, and ta-da! You guys probably can't tell a difference, but the bus is so much cleaner. We got our beautiful map that covers up our hole. Everything is clean, it's looking awesome. Last step of the day, adding our passenger seat here. It's a little big. It's definitely a little big. All right, it's very big. This is not a permanent solution, but pretty much, nope. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Pretty much the problem with this bus is that there's only one seat up here. So when I'm driving, whoever's in the back, they can't really talk to me. Like we can't like hang out and have a conversation.
It's not like we want to or anything.
Wow, thanks Audrey. But
I don't feel safe sitting like this.
oh yeah, no, it's very dangerous.
Sitting on the floor.
Yeah, you probably are safer sitting on the floor, but if you're sitting on the floor or if you're sitting on that, you're probably gonna die either way if you get in a crash, so might as well die in comfort.
Not that much more comfortable with the floor.
Wow, Audrey was such a hater. So pretty much what happened is anyone who was riding in the back always ended up just sitting on the floor up front so they could talk to me, so we could hang out, have a conversation, and not be bored on our super long drives. But then they got super uncomfortable, so that's what this little beanbag is for. Help people be comfortable if they want to sit up here and hang out with me. It might be a little bit more comfortable if you put it there. Air conditioning is a must for this place. But one thing that we decided that we're gonna do, you could actually even put it back here and have just like a little throne in the back of the bus. Oh dude, this is sick. Now if you wanna talk about dangerous, this is dangerous. Pretty much what we decided we're gonna do with this front area, we're gonna shorten each of these seats because they're way too long. They're too loungy. We're gonna shorten them so this back is flush with this window. Then we're gonna build a little half wall that comes to like right here. So it separates the bedroom area from like the kitchen living room area. Then we are going to get a different countertop, different table. We're going to make some cabinets that go up there and up there. And then we're gonna add a sink here, our appliances right here, like toaster oven, microwave, a mini fridge in this door, and then all the storage. And then we're gonna add a little net on the roof to store more stuff. And it's gonna be awesome. And then we are also going to rip up the carpet from the wall forward and put this hardwood in there. I don't know when we'll do that, but it shouldn't be too hard. So I think that is gonna be it for today. A couple small improvements on the bus. Decided to test them out this weekend for our drift events, which is starting tomorrow for me. A couple more days for you guys. This weekend will be split into 2 videos. First day of the drift event, second day of the drift event. I will say I'm kind of surprised. The last drifting video didn't do very well in terms of views and just video-wise. I'm hoping it's because 1, people are bored of Miatas, to, I'm still learning to drift, so it's just kind of not fun to watch someone that's bad at drifting. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. I don't know. Do you guys like the drifting videos? Do you not like the drifting videos? I really enjoy drifting and learning, but I don't really want to do it unless if, well, actually no, that's not true. I'm gonna do it anyway. But I guess I would still like to hear your feedback. June's coming around soon, which means possibly a new build coming around soon. So get excited for that. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed, please give it a like. If you didn't enjoy, please give it a dislike and tell me why so I can improve my content. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice, because now you have to subscribe and then hit a notification bell and then hit it again so you actually get notifications. It's really dumb. 3 buttons just to, I thought that was the point of the subscribe button. Like you hit subscribe so because you want to get notifications of that channel. But now you have to hit 3 other buttons. It's so dumb. Anyway, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a like. Oh, I already said all this. So, bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Me and Audrey are gonna go see Deadpool 2. Deadpool 2. Deadpool tool. Ooh, Deadpool tool. We should make a brand of mechanic tools called Deadpool tool. Ha!